friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. It is Sunday, May the 10th, and we are at Walgreens, and man, there's a lot of deals. 77-cent basket of items and clearance that is so cheap. It is our week at Walgreens. And remember, last week we had a bunch of trouble with items not ringing up properly at the register. Part of your job today is to really have a eye on everything to make sure that items are ringing up properly at the register. Look at your receipt, pay attention. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys my $45 basket using this digital booster. I'm not going to stack it with a paper because I think reality is most of us probably don't get paper boosters. So I sometimes do, but if you don't, we're just going to be using this friend. We also have a free 8x10 photo. Today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there and all the pet moms too. Free 8x10 using the code MVPMOM, one per store card, and go and make that happen. And when you go get your picture, punch in your phone number because a paper booster might print out for you. So you never really know. I'm saying it doesn't. It probably will today. And in case you missed it, the Dollar General on Friday, May the 8th, there was a huge penny list. So many categories, so many items that pennied out. I went out yesterday on my way to the grocery store to get a couple things for dinner. I found like 18 items at a store that's like right down the road from my house. I still would be out there, guys, scouring the store. I'll link a video at the end. If you're patient, have a little bit of time, can put a bit of love and care into this, I'm pretty sure you're going to find some penny items because I went to a couple stores on my way to the grocery store. I've got a problem, and I found just under 100 penny items, and this is the Saturday after the penny list. You guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful. It really helps out me and the channel. And if you have the hype button, if you want to press it for me, I again would be so grateful. It really helps me out. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, the first couple items we're going to talk about are clearance. Clearance items that are working with digital coupons, and I tested all of these out. The coupons are still valid. Let's get right into it. This is a perfect Mother's Day gift for you or your mom. It is the Maybelline Super Stay, and it's a lip tint, and it's called Teddy Tint. They're all gorgeous colors. On clearance for $3.29. The original price was $13. Like, wow, that's some significant savings. We have a $3 digital coupon. It's going to make this friend 29 cents, and you have until the end of the month for that. So go the makeup aisle. I would look for it and make it happen. Again, I know some of you visually have to see it typed out. $3.29 clearance item, subtracting that coupon is 29 cents. Scan the UPC in the Walgreens app. If you see the $3 coupon attaching, it's rock and roll time to get it for 29 cents. We don't see these prices anymore. Also, clearance is always a your mileage may vary. I'm in Michigan. It might be the same Michigan and Texas, but Michigan and New England might be completely different. I'm going to pick on Maine today. I love New England. I also got this, an 8 off a 2. To use this successfully, you need to be $8 or more. If I'm $7.99, this will not apply. They are a casino that does not like to lose. This is an only for you as well. Only my husband's card got it. Grabbing 3 of those lip stains for $9.87. Subtracting that $8 coupon, I'm paying $1.87 for 3 or 62 cents per lip stain. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but to pay 62 cents per for an item that's just under $13, absolutely make this happen. I apologize about how bad these photos are. I got my new iPhone. It's just taken some of the greatest photos. Some of these OGX peptide products are $2.49 or $2.99. We have a 6 off a 2 digital coupon, plus there's $3 Peelies. For both to apply perfectly, you have to be over the threshold of either 6, or if you're using the other $3 one, which you can use, it doesn't exclude coupons or manufacturer coupons, you'd have to buy $9. So those shampoos that are $2.49, they're buy one, get one 50% off. So 5 of them, if you can track it down, or alternatively grab some $2.99 and $2.49 products and juggle it. Remember, those are BOGO 50% off. That's why the price is goofy. 5 of them is $9.96. Subtracting that digital coupon and one Peely, and the Peely does scan, it's 96 cents for the 5 or 19 cents per product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but this specific deal, it wasn't on clearance for the longest time, and then I saw it at like 3 stores on clearance. So yes, for this price for this shampoo, absolutely. So let's get into the meat and potatoes now of just like deals anyone can do. There's no fanciness. We have the Garnier shampoo. We also have this 3 off of 2 coupon. Now, this deal is working both for the whole blends and the fructis, not just the fructis, but this is what the digital coupon looks like. The whole blends this week are also $3.99, and they haven't done that in the longest time. So it makes this 99 cents after everything is said and done. So 2 separate transactions if you want both the fructis and the whole blends. But 2 of the fructis is at $3.99 each, is $7.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $4.98, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward, but 99 cents for this shampoo, this is a very good deal. And we haven't seen the whole blends at this point at price point for some time. So if you want to go down that avenue, it's also really terrific. And what is whole blends? It's this line, and we have another 3 off of 2, and these are $3.99. The last couple times they've had this sale, they've always boosted it to like, I think like an extra $1 per. So to see it for this price point, if you want it for 99 cents, stock up, guys, because it's a really great price point. Another deal I absolutely love this week is the $4.99 all liquid detergent, and these are the 30 ounces, so they're the smaller ones. Retail is usually like just under $9 for one of these bottles. If you have sensitive skin, you know it's really great. We have a $1 digital coupon to accompany this, and then if you scooch over to IBOTTA, there's a $2 back when you buy one. Quick rundown of this is one of these detergents for $4.99. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $3.99. $2 back from IBOTTA. You're going to have to photograph your receipt to that magical app. It's $1.99 for a detergent that's usually like about $8. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but definitely make this deal happen. Another deal that's really great with Memorial Day right around the corner is the Doritos chips. They're basically like $3 a bag. IBOTTA had a rebate yesterday. The rebate vanished this morning. Hang on to your receipt, because if it shows up closer to Memorial Day, you can submit for it a week post. Remember that. We also have a digital coupon that is a 3 off of 3 that is attaching to these chips if you like the chips. So grabbing 3 of these bags, it's going to be $9. They're $3 a piece. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying 6 for 3 or getting these Doritos for $2 a bag. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I think these size bags at like Walmart are like $4 or just under $5. So to get them for $2, this is a no-brainer. Even if you want to just get them for a cookout for guests in the future that are going to be showing up at your house this summer. I mean, we're not going to see this price, so I would definitely do this deal, even if you're not into Doritos. Another deal I absolutely love is the $1.99 Arm & Hammer. That includes the scent beads, the packs, and the liquid detergent. If you're a newer couponer building your stockpile, this is a deal I would definitely be doing. Grabbing 3 of these items, it's $5.97. If you have a register reward or burning a hole in your pocket, you want to use one from Garnier, something like that with Walgreens cash, go for it. It's just building your stockpile, and this is a real meat and potatoes kind of a deal. And the scent beads by Arm & Hammer are also really great. Did check, guys, there was no manufacturer coupon this morning for the Scots, but it's buy one get one 50% off with a $2 reward when you purchase 4. Remember, we're doing all these deals in store. 4 of these would be $15 on a BOGO 50% off because they're $5 a bag. Getting back that $2 register reward, it makes it $13 for 4 or $3.25 per bag. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have any register rewards that you want to toss in, I absolutely would. The Dove body wash for $8 with a 5 off 2 digital coupon and a $4 reward when you purchase 2. I love the sensitive skin line for Dove. I like it more than Olay, and I used to be like Olay or nothing, but I prefer Dove now. We do have this, which is the 5 off of 2, so make sure you have it loaded. You just go below the product in the app and just hit the plus button to load it. It's that easy. Grabbing 2 of these body washes, it's 16. Subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay 11. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 7 for 2 or $3.50 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I know they have a crazy summer line like papaya, watermelon, guava. A lot of those started clearing out for $5.99. If you can test 2 of those and see if this deal might work, if you're about rolling the dice and taking a chance, I absolutely would if your store has that Dove body wash summer display. Again, I've seen numerous people say it's on clearance. Maybe grab one, ask for a price check. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what the deal might be. The Tresemme for $6 with a 4 off of 2 digital coupon and a $4 reward when you buy 2. And just to give you eyes on the coupon, here it is, the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have it loaded. 2 of these Tresemmes for $12. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 4 for 2 or $2 per bottle. And these are the big ones. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Fancier Colgate toothpaste at $5. We have a 5 off of 2 and a $4 reward when you buy 2. I'm into the fancy era, guys. I don't want the cheapest stuff. Still a cheap price point, but I want fancy. So the sensitive or the total fancy one with this 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 tubes, it is $10. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The Irish Spring is $5.99 with a 5 off of 3 digital coupon and a $3 reward when you buy 3. Just to show you guys the digital coupon, boom, here it is. Unfortunately, my store does not sell that liquid Irish Spring anymore. It's only the bar soap. Grabbing 3 of these friends, it's going to be $17.97. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $12.97. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.97 for the 3 or $3.32 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Deals with the Walgreens generics are just too good not to talk about. We have a buy one, get 2 for free on the food storage bags, making it 93 cents per box of 20. That's amazing. And then we also have the garbage bags on a similar promotion, but it's $4.99 for the first, 2 for free, dropping it to $1.66 per box of trash bags. And this is the small or medium. Larges are not included. Deal that we're looking at is a $45 basket using this booster. If you have a paper booster to go with, the 2 will stack. But we're just going to stick with this because I think this is the majority of you will just have this, the 10 back when you spend 45. So for this basket in store, because we're getting so many register rewards, that's why we're doing it in store. Ask if the machine is working as well. Like, are the register rewards printing? 3 of the Irish Spring for $17.97, 2 Colgates for $10, 2 Garniers for $7.98, and then 2 Tresemmes for $12, for a total of $47.95. Have your booster loaded. We have $17 in manufacturer coupons melting off that I showed you in the slides previous. A 5 for Irish Spring, a 5 for Colgate, a 3 for Garnier, and a 4 for Tresemme. You're going to pay $30.95 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash and $14 in register rewards, making it $6.95 for the 9 items or 77 cents each. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a booster, but you can use manufacturer register rewards to make that monster of a $30.95 basket a lot less. Good luck with these deals, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Dollar General linked right here. Go and make some stuff happen today. Bye, guys.